this quick tutorial, you will learn how to animate your art using this one simple app, Adobe Fresco, and don't worry, it is completely free. Alright guys, let's get started. So, as you can see, I already have my background ready, and what I was planning on doing is making it look like there are whales slowly swimming or flying through this beautiful sky. So let's go ahead and draw our whale, and to save me some time, I will use the stamp to quickly create an outline for my whale, and I'll stamp it in color black, just like so. Now let's move it a little bit just so that we can see what we're doing, and I will also flip it horizontally so that our whale swims from the left to the right. And now let's pick a brush to color him in with, because we are not gonna leave him black. I was thinking of making him purple or pink, and I forgot to turn my auto look on, and it's probably one of my favorite features about drawing digitally, because then you won't have paint spill over onto the other layers. And then let's also add some highlights and shadows, and once we are done with this whale, I'll come back to you and show you how to do the animation. Now that we have our whale done, it is time to animate it using Adobe Fresco, and overall this app is not only good for animating, but it's also pretty good for drawing and stuff like that, so you should definitely check it out. And also it is completely free, which is a huge benefit. And as you can see, I'm finishing up with my whale, and there it is. He looks pretty good, and we're gonna try to animate it so that it looks like it's gonna swim from this side slowly onto the other one. And let's also go ahead and rename this layer so that it will be a little bit easier to find it in Adobe Fresco. I'll just name it Whale Animation. Okay, cool. And guys, you also, in order for this to work, you're gonna have to export it in the right format, which is this one over here, PSD. And when you get to the screen right here, you're going to want to click More and find your Adobe Fresco app. Then you're just going to have to click on it and wait for your artwork to import, just like so. Now let's go ahead and find our layer. I believe it's this one right here, and then we're going to click on this little caterpillar icon. It kind of looks like a caterpillar to me. And this is when the magic happens. So again, this is the path that I want my whale to take. Why is it not doing what's... Oh, okay, my bad. I forgot to enable this function. So now we're just gonna draw the path that we want our shape to take. And ta-da! And basically this is how you create the simplest animation ever. It is really easy and simple. And you can also change quite a few settings over here. So if you wanted to move slower, then you're gonna need to increase the number of your frames. And if you wanted to go faster, then we're gonna decrease them, which is not what we want. And you can also play around with these settings over here. You can change the amount of your shape, and let me see, I think I'll go with 2 or 3. Okay, now it looks like we have a few whales slowly swimming through the sky, and it looks cool to me. And I also want to change the setting over here, scatter, and what it does is basically it tells you how close you want your object to be to the line that you've drawn, and I don't want my whales to perfectly follow the line that I've drawn, so I am going to increase the scatter option just a little bit. And as you can see now, they aren't exactly following my line, and the less of it you have, the closer they're going to be to the line that you have drawn. I think that lowering their opacity will give it a more mysterious look. Oh, and by the way, I should have tried to use little ghosts instead of whales for this animation tutorial, and I think that they would have looked really cool. And this is basically all you need to know about animating in Adobe Fresco. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, follow, and click the little bell to not miss out on my really simple and interesting Procreate hacks, tips, and tricks. I will see you all in the next video. Bye!